Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do number and numeration, chapter 1, exercise 1.6. Page number 15. You're doing rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens, question 1. Now children, I have added a link to a video which is going to tell you what rounding off is and what are the rules to be followed. So before you start this exercise, go through that video, understand what rounding off is, and then it'll be easy for you to work out this exercise. So let's begin this exercise. So the first one says round off to the nearest tens. So the first thing you need to do is look for the digit in the tens place. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. So the digit in the tens place is 4. So that is the first thing you need to do because you're asked to round off to the nearest tens. So underline the digit in the tens place. Look at the digit next to it to its right. And the digit to its right, if it's less than 5, this number will remain as it is. 4 will remain as it is. And this number in the ones place will become 0. Okay, everything else on the left side will remain the same. So here I'm going to write 9 as it is. Now 4 is going to remain the same because the digit to the right of 4 is less than 5. So in that place I'm going to put a 0. So when I round off to the nearest 10, my number is 940. Next number, again underline the digit in the tens place. So here we have ones, we have tens. So the digit in the tens place is 8. Now look at the digit to the right of 8. It is 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, this digit which you have underlined will increase by 1. So 8 will now become 9. And in this place you must put a 0. So everything else will remain as it is. So 5 will remain as it is. 8 will now become 9 and in the place of 5 we put a 0. So 585 has now been rounded off to 590. The next number, the digit in the tens place is 6. So let's underline the digit 6. Next step, look at the digit to its right. It's less than 5. That means 6 will not change. It will remain the same. So let's write that. So 2 will remain the same, 6 will remain the same. In the place of 4, we are going to put a 0. So 264 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 260. Let's take the next digit, ones, tens. In the tens place, we have 8. The digit next to it is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So 8 will remain as it is. All the other digits will remain the same. So let's write that. So we have 4. 5, 8 will remain as it is. In the place of 3, we put a 0. So what is our number now? 4580. We have rounded off 4583 to this number. Again, it's the same question. We are with question E here. Look at the digit in the tens place. So here we have ones and tens. So this is the digit in the tens place. Look at the digit the right of that. It is 8. It's more than 5, isn't it? If it is more than 5, then what you have underlined will increase by 1. You must add 1 more to it. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So let's write everything else as it is. So 3 will remain the same. 4, 1 will now become 2. And in the place of 8, we put a 0. So what is our number now? 3420. We have rounded off 3418. So now next number, in the tens place we have 5. 5 is in the tens place. Look at the digit to its right. It's 1. It's less than 5. So this will remain the same. What you have underlined will remain the same. So let's write the number 175. In the place of 1 we put a 0. So now 1751 has been rounded off to 1750. In the next number, in the tens place, we have 9, ones and tens. In the tens place, we have 9. Let's underline this. So this is the tens place. The digit to its right is 5. That means this number that you have underlined will increase by 1. You must add 1 to it. Okay. So let's take that number 159. If I add, I'm taking only this part. Only the part leaving out 5, only this part, so that's 159. I have to add 1 to the 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1. So now this has become 160, and in the place of 5 I'm going to put a 0. So what is the number now? 1600. 1595 has now become 1600. Let's go to the next number. So here we have 0 in the tens place. Let's underline it. And the digit next to it is more than 5. It's 9, isn't it? If it's more than 5, this digit which we have underlined will increase by 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So everything else will remain as it is. So 4, 5, 1. And in the place of 9, we put a 0. So 4509 has been rounded off to 4510. Question 2. Round off the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. This time we're looking at the digit in the hundreds place. So here we have ones, then we have tens, and here we have hundreds. So let's underline the digit in the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place we have 4. Let's look at the digit to the right of 4. The right of 4 is 2. Isn't it? The digit is 2, which is less than 5. If it is less than 5, what you have underlined will not change. It will remain the same. And all the digits to the right of the underlined digit will become zeros. So let's see, on the left it will remain the same. So 3 and 8 will remain the same. 4 is going to be the same because to the right of 4 we have a number which is less than 5. Now these two digits which are on the right of 4 will now become two zeros. So what is our answer? 38,400. 38,429 has been rounded off to 38,400. Next number, in the hundreds place, what do we have? Ones, tens, hundreds. In the hundreds place, we have 6. So let's underline 6. And look at the digit to the right of 6. It is 8. It's more than 5. If it is more than 5, then what you have underlined will increase by 1. 6 will now become 7. So let's write that. So on the left of 6, 1, 1, then 6 has become 7. On the right of 6, the numbers become zeros. So 11,689 has now become 11,700. Here, what is the digit in the hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. We have 8 in the hundreds place. Look at the digit to the right. It's 9. It's more than 5. So 8 will now become 9. So let's write that. So 4, 8 has become 9. And to the right of 8, you have two digits. You will put two zeros. So 4,895 has been rounded off to 4,900. In the next number, the digit in the hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds, is 4. So let's underline that. The digit is 4 and the digit to the right is more than 5. It's 9. That means 4 will increase. It will now become 5. So what is our number now? 7. 4 will become 5 and 2 zeros. So 7,500. We'll continue with the question E here. The digit in the hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. The digit there is 5. And look at the digit to its right, it's 0. It's less than 5. So this 5 will remain the same. So this is 6. 5 will remain the same. And to the right, put two zeros. So now it's become 6,500. The next number is 24,164. What is the digit in the hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. The digit is 1. And to the right, what is the digit? We have 6. That is more than 5. That means 1 will increase. So 1 is now going to become 2. So let's write down all the digits. So 2, 4, 1 is now becoming 2. And to the right, there are two digits, put two zeros. So 24,164 is now 24,200. Question G. 50,380. What is the digit in the hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. The digit is 3. The digit to its right is 8, which is more than 5. So 3 will now become 4. So let's write it down. 5, 0, 4, and two digits to the right will become two zeros. So here we have 50,380 It's rounded off to 50,400. Next one, ones, tens, hundreds. In the hundreds place we have 9 and the digit to its right is 7. It's more than 5. So 9 will increase by 1. Now whenever you have 9, do that addition separately. So take only these 3 digits, that is 529. So let's write it here, 529. Why are we doing this? Because whenever you have 9, it's not easy to get the next number immediately, isn't it? So here we have 529. We can add 1 to it, or you know what comes after 529. What comes after that? 530. So you can write that straight away here, or you can do the addition like this. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 5, 530. So here we are going to write 530 instead of 529. And then there are 2 digits, put 2 zeros. So we have 2 zeros. So now what is our number? 53,000. Question 3. Round off the following numbers to the nearest thousands this time. So let's look at the digit in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have this 5 which is in the thousands place. Again, look at the digit to the right. Digit to the right is 9 which is more than 5. So if 9 or whatever that digit there is more than 5, this number which you have underlined will increase by 1. So 5 will now become 6. So now what is our number? So 5 we write as it is. The next 5 will become 6. Now all the digits to the right of the underlined digit will become zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros you must put. So that's 1, 2, 3. So what is our answer? 56,000. Now let's look at the next number and underline the digit in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we have 3 in the thousands place. Next, look at the digit to its right. It is 2, which is less than 5. That means 3 will remain the same. So we're going to write the digits now. So 7 will remain the same. 3 will remain the same. Now after 3, there are 3 digits. So we're going to put 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3 zeros. So what is our number now? 73,000. Next one, digit in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have 4 in the thousands place and the digit next to it is 3 which is less than 5. That means this 4 will not change. So this will be 1, 4. Now after 4 there are 3 digits, put 3 zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3 zeros. 14,000. Next one. Let's look at the digit in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 7 is in the thousands place. The digit next to it is 0. So that means 7 will remain the same. So let's write these digits here. So 9, 2, 7 will remain the same. After 7 there are 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now let's put the commas and read this number. What is this number? 9,27,000. So we have rounded off these numbers to the nearest thousands. Let's continue. Question E, again nearest thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In the thousands place we have 0. To the right we have 2 which is less than 5. So 0 will remain as it is. So let's write this down. So this is 6. 5, 0 will remain after this. After 0, there are 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So what is this number? 6,50,000. Next one, in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We have 1 in the thousands place. Digit next to it is 4. No change to 1. 1 will remain as it is. 7, 7, 1. To the right of 1 we have 3 digits, so we are going to put 3 zeros here. So 1, 2, 3. Let's put the commas and read the number. 7,71,000. Next one, in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In the thousands place we have 9. So and the digit next to it is 8. That is more than 5. So 9 will now increase by 1. So now look at this number. The number before 9 is 4. So along with 9 it becomes 49. What is the number after 49? 50, isn't it? So that is 50, and after this digit that you have underlined, there are 3 digits. So we are going to put 3 zeros. So now we have rounded it off to 50,000. Next one, look at the digit in the thousands place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4 is in the thousands place. And the digit next to it is more than 5. That means 4 will increase by 1 and become 5. So let's write the digits. So this is 2, 2. 4 has now become 5. There are 3 digits after 4, so 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. So if you want to read this number, it is 2,25,000. We will stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.